After a day-long grilling of Bollywood stars Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor, the Narcotics Control Bureau did a press briefing where they praised members of the media and the public at large about their probe today, and also highlighted the fact that no summons have been issued to stars to appear tomorrow. There was M.A. Jain, the Deputy Director General of the Narcotics Control Bureau, who addressed media personnel after the day's interrogation. He also spoke about Karan Johar's video from his party going back to 2009, saying there was no link between that particular video and the current drug probe that's underway. Let's listen to the Narcotics Control Bureau.
नहीं, अभी किसी और को समन इस समय नहीं इशू किया गया।
सर, आने वाले समय में इनसे सितारों से दोबारा समन किया जा सकता है सर?
ये मैं स्पेकुलेट इस समय नहीं कर सकता हूँ, और अभी हमारे पास काफ़ी दिनों से आप जानते हैं कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है। काफ़ी लोग इसमें अरेस्ट हुए हैं, काफ़ी लोगों से पूछताछ हुई है, काफ़ी रिकवरीज हुई है। तो हम अभी बैठ के इसको पूरे केस को रिव्यू करेंगे और आगे के लिए अपनी प्लानिंग बनाएंगे।
कल उन्हें फिर से बुलाया गया?
नहीं, मैंने कहा ना, मैंने किसी को सम्मन आज नहीं इशू किया गया। नहीं मैडम, एज आई सेड, आई कैनॉट डिस्क्लोज डिटेल्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन, but we will put it up before the court tomorrow morning.
I want to go across to our team of reporters who are tracking this case very closely. Divesh Singh leads crime and investigations in Mumbai for India Today. Arvind Oja has gone down. He tracks the Narcotics Control Bureau. He's flown in from Delhi, tracking this team very, very closely. And Munish Pandey covers the ED, the CBI, and now this case being led by the NCB as well. I want to go across to Munish Pandey first. Give our viewers a full sense of the kind of questions that were posed by the NCB to these three stars who appeared, and what were the key highlights in the answers that the stars gave the Narcotics Control Bureau. Monish.
Yeah, well, Rahul, three important points as far as Deepika Padukone is concerned. When she joined the investigation, initially she was grilled alone by a 4-member team of SIT led by Mr. KPS Malhotra, Deputy Director. But during the initial investigation, when she was asked by the NCB that whether she consumes drugs or not, she refused to answer. She said she has never consumed drugs, and what NCB claims that they are not satisfied with an answer. In the second phase, she was confronted with the second person, Karishma Prakash, who was an employee of Con Talent Management Company. Again, when she was confronted, both of them have not given any satisfactory answer. Both of them maintained that on that particular day, no drugs were delivered by Karishma to Deepika Padukone. They have not consumed drugs ever. So these were the highlights as far as Deepika Padukone is concerned. As far as Shraddha Kapoor is concerned, she claims that the CBD oil which she was talking about with Jaya Shah, a senior employee of Con Talent Management Company, now she was talking to Jaya Shah for CBD oil external use, not for any internal use. She has also said that she has never consumed drugs ever. As far as Sara Ali Khan is concerned, you know, her name only appeared after Riya Chakrabarti took her name during the questioning by the NCB in Sushant Singh Rajput death case. And what Sara Ali Khan said that she has smoked cigarette with Sushant Singh Rajput, but she has never consumed drugs. So as far as the entire questioning was concerned, all three stars, point number one, they refused to accept that they have ever consumed drugs. Point number two, they even said before the NCB that they have never even supplied drugs. And third and most important part is that based on the electronic evidence, when NCB wanted to grill them further as far as the drug connection is concerned, they refused to give any satisfactory answers to the officials of the NCB.
What's the mood in the NCB team of interrogators? Arvind Oja is on the hotline with the NCB interrogators. Arvind, जो एनसीबी के वरिष्ठ अधिकारी हैं जो इस प्रोब को लीड और मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं, वो आपको क्या जानकारी दे रहे हैं? जो जवाब ये स्टार्स दे रहे हैं उनसे कितने संतुष्ट हैं? मुनीश हमें बता रहे हैं कि तीनों स्टार्स ने कहा है कि वो ड्रग्स नहीं लिया करते थे। जो आरोप लगाए जा रहे थे, जो सवाल पूछे जा रहे थे, उनका इन्होंने सिरे से खंडन किया है। अरविंद, आपको क्या जानकारी मिल रही है?
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए राहुल, अब से कुछ देर पहले मैंने बात की है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के एसआईटी के एक सीनियर मेंबर से, और उन्होंने बिल्कुल बताया है कि दीपिका ने ड्रग्स लेने से इनकार किया। सारा अली ने कहा कि सुशांत ड्रग्स लेते थे। श्रद्धा ने कहा कि CBD ऑयल मंगवाया था लेकिन एक्सटर्नल यूज के लिए मंगवाया था। जाहिर सी बात है उनको पूरी जानकारी रहेगी, क्योंकि एक्सटर्नल यूज के लिए CBD ऑयल यूज करना वो NDPS एक्ट में नहीं आता है। लेकिन जो बड़ी जानकारी हमें मिली है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के सीनियर ऑफिशियल से कि तीनों ही को, चाहे श्रद्धा हो, दीपिका हो और सारा हो, इनको क्लीन चिट नहीं मिली है। लेकिन जो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट इंडिया टुडे को अभी जानकारी मिली है, दरअसल नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन में एक गैप को फुलफिल करना चाहती है। किसी ड्रग पैडलर पर उनकी नजर है। नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो का कहना है कि हम एक बड़ा सीजर करेंगे जो इस पूरे गैप को फुलफिल करेगा। देखिए, दीपिका हो, सारा हो और या फिर श्रद्धा हो, पूरी तैयारी के साथ आई थी। जो इनकी लीगल टीम है उनको पूरी ब्रीफिंग की गई कि आपको किस सवाल का जवाब कैसे देना है। नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के ऑफिसर ने कहा कि बिल्कुल स्मार्टली तीनों ने ही जवाब दिया है। दीपिका ने खास तौर पर उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया है कि चैट जो था वो बिल्कुल हमारा था, लेकिन हशीश और गांजे के बारे में कहा है दीपिका पादुकोण ने SIT को कि हम हंसी मजाक करते हैं, ये सिगरेट की तरह करते हैं। जो किसी भी लेवल से अगर हशीश की बात हो रही है, सभी को मालूम है कि हशीश एक ड्रग्स है, मैरिजुआना एक ड्रग्स है। तो इस तरह की जवाब देना नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो बिल्कुल उन्होंने जवाब जरूर दिया है, इन्होंने रिकॉर्ड भी किया है, लेकिन इनका कहना है कि हम उस जवाब को एक तरीके से नहीं मानते हैं। इंतजार कीजिए, हम कुछ बड़ा सरप्राइज करेंगे। जिस तरह से हमने रिया चक्रवर्ती में सरप्राइज दिया था, हम एक बड़ा सरप्राइज करेंगे, तो हमें उस सरप्राइज का इंतजार है। लेकिन हकीकत यही है कि तीनों के इंटरोगेशन से नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो को कुछ बड़ा अभी तक हासिल नहीं हुआ है।
Okay, so Devesh Singh, you've been speaking to the NCB team working locally out of Mumbai. How have they split their operations between the team that was looking at these 3 stars? And what's your best sense about how they intend to pace their probe from here on? Devesh.
Rahul, the Mumbai NCB team is working jointly with the Delhi SIT from the Narcotics Control Bureau, and today when Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan were grilled, one thing was being focused over here, as Munish and Arvind also pointed out, that NCB is now targeting the supply chain of narcotics. And as Arvind was pointing out, they are looking at a major seizure. They are looking at a major operation that would be conducted by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Though all the 3 actresses have denied consuming drugs, consuming banned narcotic substances, but their statements have been taken on record, and that is what was confirmed by M.A. Jain, who's the Deputy Director General of NCB. When he briefed media a while ago, he said that this has been taken on record and this will be taken to court. This will be submitted. All the statements will be submitted in court, and only after that further course of action will be decided. Remember, in the Riya Chakrabarti case, NCB did a reverse investigation. They initially went behind the peddlers, then they went behind the facilitators, transporters, and then finally nabbed Riya Chakrabarti for harboring drug traffickers and facilitating drug. So now they are again trying to do something similar. They are targeting drug peddlers. They are trying to cut down on supply chain of drugs coming to the city, coming to Mumbai, and especially in Bollywood. And that is how they seem to
the point that the Narcotics Control Bureau is seeking to make is that this is not a probe that targets these Bollywood stars. That the Bollywood stars happen to be incidental, they happen to be one part of the probe. They're also the part that is drawing the maximum public attention, but that's because of the public nature of these personalities. They're saying ours is a larger probe into the drug menace in Mumbai, the international supply chains that send the drugs into India, and that's what the NCB says they are going after. Now, our reporters are saying they intend to prove that through their actions. We will track closely what happens. I want to show you what happened with Deepika Padukone today. We'll start with that because by far the biggest of the stars called in for questioning so far. Deepika Padukone was questioned about the messages that were recovered from the phone of Jaya Saha. She accepts those messages but denies having consumed drugs or being part of any drug racket. Take a look at this report.